Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone to my YouTube channel. My name is Mishii and I am a digital marketer. I am here to guide you about the digital marketing. So first of all, this is my first video and I have to give you the introduction of digital marketing. The digital marketing is a rapidly evolving field that encompasses various strategies and techniques and promote the products, services and brand through digital channels. With the increased reliance on technology and the internet, businesses are leveraging digital marketing to reach their targeted audience, build brand awareness, and drive website traffic, and ultimately generate leads and sales. Now, digital marketing utilizes various online platforms and tools such as search engine, social media, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising to connect with the potential customers and engage with them in the meaningful way. It involves understanding consumers' behavior, analyzing data, and implementing targeted marketing campaigns to achieve specific business objectives. Unlike traditional marketing methods, digital marketing offers a higher level of measurability and flexibility. It allows businesses to track and analyze the performance of their marketing efforts in real time, enabling them to make data-driven decisions and optimize their strategies for better results. Additionally, digital marketing provides a more personalized and interactive experience for customers, allowing businesses to tailor their messages and offering a specific segment for their targeted audience. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence and an effective digital marketing strategy is crucial for businesses of all sizes. It allows them to compete in the global marketplace, reach a wider audience, and stay ahead of competition by leveraging the power of digital marketing. Business can effectively connect with the customers, building brand loyalty, and drive sustainable growth. So, this is the introduction of digital marketing. If this is helpful for you, click the like button, and for more informative video like this, please subscribe my channel and stay connected.